Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a drink called Tastykake Coffee Cake Ale. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. I greatly appreciate it. So a little background on the Victory Brewing Company. It's well known for creating inventive and flavorful beers, often combining unique ingredients or local partnerships. Based in Downingtown, Pennsylvania, they've earned a reputation for their innovative takes on classic beer styles, like this Tastykake Coffee Cake Ale collaboration with a beloved Philly snack brand. Just hard to say, it just seems to be a lot of repeating. Oh well. So the brewing process for this beer, get it here. The brewing process for this beer is likely involves adding real coffee or coffee-like malts during fermentation, which gives the beer its signature flavor. Victory's skilled brewers have clearly worked to balance the rich coffee cake flavor with a smooth, drinkable ale base. So let's open this puppy up. So, the appearance looks cloudy in the bottle. I'm guessing it's not going to clear up in the glass. Just a guess. Now there's one finger, maybe two, 1.5. 1.5. It's cloudy. She's raining upside down. A lot of carbonation. I can see the light on the outside. I can see my hand when I go between the glass and the light on the outside. But it is cloudy. So this smells really sweet. You can smell cinnamon and vanilla and a little bit of coffee, of course. Here's to you. Wow, that's a good drink. So this is a 6% drink, so it's not overwhelming. I've had drinks, coffee drinks. I was a coffee drinker for many, many years. Drank a couple tons over the years. And I've had flavors like this with vanilla and coffee. It's weird in a beer. And I don't mean weird as bad. It's sweet. This is a sweet beer. And I think it's the coffee cake part that you initially swallow, and that coffee cake flavor and cinnamon definitely come back. So it's really interesting. It's good. I mean, I've had some beers that are really, really bad that I just can't drink. This one's good, but it does have a sweetness to it. So this beer comes in at a 6%. Did not get the IBUs on this. We're guessing it's vegan ale. Could be right around 25. Just a guess. Normally I write that stuff down so I don't forget it. Must have been busy today. I'm normally not busy. Came prepared. So I would say the IBUs, let's see, what do I got? Are likely low, which keeps the bitterness in check. I must not have been able to find the IBUs. That's why I wrote that down. So the beer style, this beer is a hybrid of an American ale with added flavors, making it hard to categorize strictly. But it leans toward the spiced or pastry ale style, thanks to its dessert-like flavors. It's a fun twist on what you'd expect from a typical craft brew. So Tastykake Coffee Cake Ale. Say that 3 times real fast. Generally gets positive reviews from beer lovers who enjoy sweeter or more experimental brews. Many people mention that it's a nostalgic treat that brings the flavors of tasty cake to life in a beer form. Definitely get some flavors, different flavors, and they're not bad flavors. They're good flavors. You just normally don't catch them in a beer. You gotta remember, this is a sweet beer. I'm gonna rate this as a 7. And you just gotta remember, it is sweet. And if you don't like sweet beers, you probably don't want to get it. But if you do like sweet beers and you like coffee cake, and you always dreamed of drinking a coffee cake made out of beer, this beer's for you. I'd say it's pretty good. I like it. I can see all the lacing on it. All kinds of lacing. Tons and tons of lacing. Well, I think I gotta get on with drinking. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today. You guys made it so I had something to do. But like I always say, if you got a beer in the fridge, You always got something to do. So I'll see you next time. Peace.